Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to delete a Tidal account. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Tidal application. Now guys, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Tidal. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Tidal videos, where you can also see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So guys, as you can see, here we have the official Tidal home screen where we can see some mixes and the recommended tracks for you, or for me in this sake. We have the personal radio stations, essentials to explore, albums you'll enjoy, and some basically recommended stuff for me. Also here, we have videos where you can see some videos from the songs, so the videos from the songs. And here we have the search bar where you can go and explore by yourself. So you can go see some new things, top stuff, and everything in one place. And genders and also those things. And you can go and manually search in the top bar, search bar up there. We have your profile where we can see everything about your profile. So we can see your downloads, playlists, video tracks, everything about your profile in one place. And here you can go and click on edit profile or the settings where you can do anything about those. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete a Tidal account. Well, to do so, click on the top right corner. Then guys, go down here, click on manage account, and here guys you can go and delete your account. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.